Right, good morning everyone. Now we're going on to part 5. I've just found these that I might be able to use. I don't know where, but you never know. And let's have a look, see where we're up to. Now, eventually, after I've painted it, this is going to need some curtains in there. So I found this fabric, which I can use. I like the shabbiness of it, because I don't want it perfect. So I'll be able to cut a piece off that, which I'll get ready now. It looked quite shabby. Just going to cut a strip off this, doesn't have to be straight. It'll be right when I put it on. So let me just put that to one side. I'm just going to move this out of the way. I did find this board, but let me just see, because I actually found a piece of wood, like a plaque I had. Where did I put it? There we go. Yeah, I found this oval piece, like a plaque, and I thought that would be ideal to do it as a display. So I'm just going to move that out of the way. Now I think what I'll do is when I colour the shack, we're going to do it like white with blue, these, and have these as blue stripes. And I can peel all that off, it's just dried glue. That's not a problem. I'll shape all that up. Yeah, this will be brown. Post will be brown. I need to get some string. So, let me just get my string. Sorry, I know I'm not prepared. But hey ho, I never am. I never am. So, I've got some string here. Because I never know what I'm going to do, so you just have to accept me as I am. Sorry. We make sure you can see. Yeah. I'm just going to move the camera over a little bit. So I've got that to make the curtains with. The ball of string to go along here. And let me just see. Let's get the curtains out of the way. So, and then I've got the plaque for it to go on. So I'm going to have to cover that. Okie dokie. I do want these curtains. Let me just get my other scissors. Where have I put my scissors? I'm going to use that as the edging. So they're not going to be too tall, too big. But I need enough to turn over. Okie dokie, let's have a look at this. I'm going to do that, put that out of the way. One of those is going to be enough, I think. Let me just see. How long's that? Yeah, that's going to be long enough. So I basically just need to cut it like that. There we go. I can use them scraps up, that's not a problem. So I'm just going to cut this. Now, here's my pole, but I don't need it. I need it how big? That big. Which I now need to snip. Like that. Glue guns on. Now, I might not need as much as I think. So it's gonna go over like that. And then I'm gonna screw it up like that. So that's one end. Yaha. Okay. It'll work, or it won't. That's what I always say. So, let's just dab some glue on here. Like that. And we go over that, like that. Yep, that'll do. So that's one. And this has to go in the opposite direction. like that. Put that over there. Fold that over. Yes, that will push. But, well, I've done that. I've glued it on that end. That's great. Yeah. I'm going to pull that back as far as I can. And we add a dab of glue just there. And release that. That's it. I can darken this. It's no problem. You don't need all of that actually. I'm just going to pull that back. You're not even going to see that. Onto there, like that. And we need to do the same on that side, we think. So I'm just going to cut that. Oh, you idiot, Fiona. Oh, God, sometimes you drive yourself potty. Cut it on the wrong end because I want the shabbiness showing. It's an old shack. I ain't wasting it, you bloody go on. I'm not wasting it. Right, I'm going to pull that right back. Push that onto there and pull that back. There, that's my shabby curtains. And then what I do, I could have put this on first, never gave it a thought. That has to fit in there. Well, that was a bit bloody silly, Fiona. Okie dokie, let's get this right. So we've now got to fit this in here like that. Pull that down a bit. They go in there like that. See, like that. So you can act like they're blowing in the wind, whatever. Won't fuss when I paint it, it's not going to be in the way. And I will probably glue that bit there. I'm going to do that anyway. Just put a little dab of glue on the inside. Right, I'm going to get that cloth, pull it down and do that. See, just looks like a little shack and it's curtains everywhere. As they are. And I'm just going to do that on this side as well. Now it's going to have a window box on, so I'm not fussed about that either. See, that looks shabby enough, like a little shack, doesn't it? Right, that's that done. Easy. Easy peasy. You can do it your way. I'm just doing it my way. The thing is, you're watching me do this, and it's giving you the ideas, so you can prepare your house first before you put it onto this. But I don't know what I'm going to do from 1 minute to the next, so I have to just build it as I go along. If I were to do it again, I'd know which stage to do. I'd make this, you know, and do this separate, then I'd do that separate, and I'd do this separate, and then put it all together. But I have to build it as I go along. Now, I want a little porch thing coming off of here. So I do have this. Let me get a smaller piece. This should do. Let's just have a look. Now, I wasn't quite sure whether I wanted like a curtain to come off that, but I'm not going to do it that way. I'm just going to do it like this. Just cutting a piece of chipboard, and I'm going to do that like a little roof thing. Do I need that? It's a bit too... Let's have a look at this piece. Let's just have a look at that. But that's better. That's better. That'll do. Like I say, it's not going to bother me at all. It's just like a little shelter. See, like that. Yeah. That's going to be great when it's painted. Oh, I like that. Yeah. Right, okay. So these have to be altered slightly. And it'll all have to be painted before it's put together. You know, glued on there. So, what I do have, I had these from when I did the lighthouse. If anybody's not seen it, type in lighthouse and you'll see that I did. It took a long time to do, but it was fabulous. And I did a beautiful lighthouse. I actually quite enjoyed it. Now, I've got these little rocks and that I can use for the beach area. I don't like it that they're all the same size, but hey ho. The other way that I like to do mine is to put on the polystyrene I might not use them actually. Let me just put them to one side. I'm going to start off this base. Okay, so not bothered about the holes, they'll get covered up. See, like this. I know, and you're thinking, what the hell is she up to now? You'll see. So we're just going to do that. Put a rock there. Well, this is a great way of getting rid of all your, you know, scrap. I'm going to do a rock there. I'm going to do a rock here. Like that. And I think we'll do one stuck like that. Yep. Do one like that. Now let me get where the house is going to be. That's going to be there. And I'll just get rid of that. That's going to be there. Yeah, that's going to look great, isn't it? Right, I need a rock here. Like that. Oh, we can't put that there. But the boat to go in. Let's peel that off. You silly person, Fiona. Now, I've got. Let's hold it. We can do one underneath it though, can't we? So we can fit one in here, under there, like that. That's going to fit there. We can add one here. Like that. So the boat's going to go here. Just like that. Let me take some of this away. And I'll add it here. Like that. Never mind the strands. So that's going to go in there. That's going to fit there. Okie dokie. We're going to put another rock on there like that. And do that. Yeah. I'll fit the other ones in when I want them. I'm going to just fit this in there. Let's do it like that. Just do, that's it, that'll do. Like that. Like that. Right, So that's going to be done like that. And you're going to say, what the... Well, watch, wait and learn. Watch and learn. Because I can get my heat gun out. Look what happens. I love doing this. Get your heat gun. Watch. You can melt it into shape. So it can look as rugged as you like. See, you just melt it into shape. Let me move that out of the way for a minute. See? That's how you do it. And it looks like really jagged rock. Right, so once I've done that, that's it, that's fine. Let's glue this down a little bit more. Like that. And I might want to add some more later on. So that's going to sit on there like that with the jagged rock. Yeah, might put a little bit more on there actually. God, this glue gun eats glue. Thought my other one was bad. Like that. So we'll do it like that. And I've got starfish and all kinds of things that I can use to put between the gaps. I can make the sea, like the waves coming up here. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, I like it like that. Yeah, that looks pretty neat actually. And you'll see the difference when it's all painted. So I think what I'll do is, because I can't do too much with this bit just yet. So I think what my next step is, I've got that on now. The boat's done. I'm going to paint this and the boat, and then I'll come back to painting that. Because I also want to put some sandy stuff on it as well. Some mediums and whatnot. Okie dokie, let's get going. But look, just looks like jagged rock. Nice. Simple and easy to do. Yes. So now I need some black paint, because I'm going to paint everything black first. Or do I want black? Oh, look, I made that the other day. Just like a hanging bauble, using the fleur-de-lis. Ah. Never mind. Right, okay, let me find what I'm looking for. We need green, 2 2 different shades of green. I'm going to need a sandy one. Is it, I've got same I think. Let me see. Black lady, you want black? Where's all my black? Well, ain't that a bummer when I can't find what I'm looking for? Now, where have I put it? Oh, of course we need some rock for the floor. Let's have a look what we've got under here. Where's me brown? I need, oh, blue for the house. Yeah. Hang on. Want blue for the house with white. Where's the white? Marvellous when you can't find what you're looking for. Oh, there you go. There's some white there. What's this one? Some modelling paste. I may need some sprays of colourants, so I'm going to use some of these, I think. Now I have a big tub of brown paint somewhere, but of course, because it's me, I can't find what I'm looking for. Whoops-a-daisy. Right, okay. Sorry about that, I just needed to get my paints. Got some paintbrushes. Have a look. Some brown. Yeah, I can't find my paint. I have a big tub of brown paint somewhere. Where's it gone? Sorry about that, and I know I can't edit this video, unfortunately, but I'm going to use the flat brushes. I've just bought a load of new ones. I'm going to have to find my paint. That's a different blue. I might need that one. Some of these are old. So I've got a colour wash, pesto colour wash. I have this, which is the gel antique, because it's dark brown. The paste, some gravel for the beach, and I've got this acrylic one, which is the Dale and Rowney ones. So all I can say is I'll be back with another video when I find my paint. Be back for part 6.